If your hair has been shedding, breaking, refuse to grow, or stay the same length month after month, then today's video could completely change your hair growth journey. I recently discovered a powerful combination made from garlic peels, cinnamon, rice, cloves, and more other ingredients. And after learning what each ingredient can do for scalp and the hair follicles, I know that I have to share it with you guys. And the best part is this spray is lightweight, easy to make, affordable, and suitable for natural hair, relaxed hair, braid hair, and protected hairstyle. So stay with me to the end because I will also unravel the biggest mistake people make when using rice-based hair treatments that actually lead to breakage. So now let's get started. Before we make this recipe, let's quickly understand why this combination is getting so attention. First is garlic peel. Most people throw garlic peels straight into the trash without realizing they contain many of the same beneficial plant compounds found in garlic itself. Garlic peels are rich in sulfur content compound. Sulfur is important because hair is largely made of keratin, a protein that contains sulfur. They also contain antioxidants that help protect the scalp from environmental stress. Many natural hair influencers use garlic-based treatment because they believe they help create a healthy scalp environment, which is important for maintaining stronger, healthy-looking hair. But that is not all. One reason garlic peels are becoming popular in DIY hair recipe is that they may help refresh the scalp and support overall scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair growth. And here is the surprising part. Instead of using the garlic itself, some people prefer the peels because they can be gentle, lighter, and less overpower in the smell when used in the fused spray. Our next ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is loved for its warming properties. It helps stimulate the scalp and create an environment that supports healthy looking hair. Next is rice. Rice water has been used for generations because it contains amino acids and nutrients that help strengthen the appearance of the hair strands. Our next ingredient is cloves. Cloves are one of the most popular ingredients in natural hair community because they help refresh the scalp and reduce the appearance of excessive shedding. Now, when combine those ingredients together, those ingredients create a powerful scalp spray designed to support healthy hair growth and stronger looking hair. So if you're excited to try this recipe, comment growth below right now. So now let's put this recipe together. What you need is 1 full hand of your garlic peel. Make sure you wash it thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. After washing it, bring your clean jar or your clean pot. You can prepare this recipe by boiling method or by infusing method, okay? So for me, I'm going for infusing method. So I just transfer it to my clean jar. Then the next thing is to be my cinnamon stick. I'm using 2 sticks of cinnamon, okay? So I'll break it and transfer it into the jar that contains the garlic peel. So now the next ingredient now is my rice. I'll also be making use of 2 tablespoons of a rice. Then after putting in my rice, the next ingredient is the cloves. I'll also be making use of 2 tablespoons of my cloves. Then the next thing now is pour in the hot water, okay? So if you are not doing infused method, just add in your normal room temperature water, then bring it to a boil. But do not boil it more than 10 to 15 minutes, please, okay? So I will not kill the nutrients of the ingredient. And another note you must take is make sure that the heat is not high, okay? So if you cannot really control the heat, make sure you do infused method, okay? That's why sometimes I will show you how to do infused method, also show you how to do boiling method. So pick the one that can get good results. But one thing some people do not know that when you boil your ingredients in high heat or overboil the ingredient, it has killed some of the nutrients of that ingredient, making that particular recipe less potent. So if you don't want to come in contact with that, if you really want to get good results on your DIY recipes, go for infused method, because infused method is more safer than boiling method. But if you're 100% sure that you can control the heat, you know perfect way how to boil it, go ahead and do your boiling method. Okay, so I just infuse mine. I like to infuse for 12 hours. So once it's 12 hours, this is the beautiful, powerful hair growth spray we have been looking for. Guys, this spray is a prayer answer to your hair growth journey. Yes, this spray will help you to reduce breakage, shedding, strengthen your weak strands, regrow your hair, thicken up your hair, help you to retain a lot of length, and give you that healthy looking scalp and healthy looking hair. This spray is all you need. This spray is 10/10 minus nothing, clock it. Yes, I'm very proud to say this because I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you are ready to use this spray to grow your hair, to solve your hair problems, make sure you follow the instruction how to prepare it and how to apply it. And now, after transferring it into my spray bottle, now let me demonstrate to you the proper way you can use this to achieve that crazy result, because application process matters a whole lot. You can know how to prepare it, but if you use it wrong way, you will get zero results. So make sure you pay close attention. This application process matters a whole lot, because this is the key that will determine how faster this recipe can help you to achieve that good result or not. Okay, now listen carefully. These are the things you must do before you apply this on your hair. First, avoid using it on a dirty hair. If your hair is dirty, please do wait to wash your hair before you go ahead and use this particular powerful spray, okay, for better results. And secondly, if this spray is cold, don't use it, especially if you bring it out from the fridge. Do not use it immediately. Warm it up a little bit before you go ahead and use it. So once your scalp is clean, your tea is a little bit warm. Now let me tell you the process of applying this to achieve that good result. So first thing you must do is to work in session. Whether your hair is on a protective hairstyle or not, work in session. Session will help you to make sure that this particular spray have coated all the entire of your scalp and also your hair strands. Yes, so if your hair is on a protective hairstyle with extension, you can also use this particular spray. That is the good news of it, because this particular spray is very lightweight, and secondly, you don't need to wash it out. Do not rinse it out. Okay, this is a leave-in treatment. Okay, it's not a rinse out treatment. So whether your hair is on a protective hairstyle with extension or not, or your hair is out, everybody can use this particular spray. So far that you have access to your scalp, you are good to go with this particular spray, and you see that crazy result start happening on your hair. So the next thing is to focus on those your problem areas, especially on your teeny edges, your crown section, your teeny areas, your bald spots, any problem area you want to solve, anywhere you are having a hair issue, please apply this particular spray in that particular spot, and you see crazy transformation in that place. Yes, this powerful spray can really help you to solve those problems if you are consistent. And if you don't have, especially your bald spots, if you don't have health problem issues, this spray is very effective to help you to regrow those problem areas. There's no joke. Okay, just be patient and consistent. You'll see it, the results start happening. So once you apply it in those your problem areas, so the next thing you must do is to massage your scalp like 5 to 7 minutes. It's very, very important. This step is extremely important because scalp massage helps improve circulation to the scalp, increase thicker hair, faster growth, and more blood circulation. So when blood circulation increase, you get faster results, and also it helps to activate this particular spray you are using on your hair. Okay, so the next thing now is to do what? Use your hair growth oil to oil your scalp. After oiling your scalp with your hair growth oil, then use your leave-in conditioner and your hair butter to follow up with your hair strands. Don't use your leave-in conditioner on your scalp or your hair butter on your scalp. Please, these two products make for only for your hair strands, okay? Use only the oil on your scalp, okay? So make sure you follow up this step by applying your oil and your leave-in conditioner and your hair butter on your hair strands. Do not just apply this spray and leave it like that without applying these things on it. It will not still work because it needs moisture, to use something to moisturize your hair so that this spray can also sit longer on your hair, give you that good result. So if you just apply only this spray without following up with your leave-in conditioner or your hair butter, you will not get that good result, okay? Make sure, even though you don't have leave-in conditioner, if you have only butter, you can use it, okay? Please make sure you use any of this. Is very, very important for that better result and also for avoid breakage or dryness, please, okay? So those are the simple steps to follow to use this powerful, affordable, easy and potent recipe to grow your hair like never before and solve those your hair problems. So for application, use this once daily. You can use it in the morning or in the evening before your bedtime, but for the better result is being consistent at least 30 days, okay? Consistent is everything. Consistent grows hair, not professional. Professional cannot grow your hair, it's only consistent, okay? So if you are ready to see good results, be consistent and trust me, in less than 30 days you will never recognize your hair. I mean it, okay? So now for storage, store this spray in your refrigerator. Use it within 5 to 7 days. Anyone that remaining after these days, discard it and make a fresh batch, okay? So if you have sensitive scalp, do a patch test first before you use this spray, okay? And remember, healthy hair growth always depend on nutrients, hydration, proper scalp care and protecting your hair from excessive manipulation. Bear that in your mind, okay? So now is your turn, guys. Should you try this garlic peel, cinnamon, rice and glow spray? Comment yes below if you are going to join this 30 days hair growth challenge, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification because I share powerful natural hair growth remedies every week, okay? So guys, I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching to the end. See you guys. Bye. Mwah.